Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 flicking or flashing screen problem in Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all, in the search box type a device manager. Open a device manager. Select a display adapter, expand it. Select a display adapter, right click, click on update driver, click on search automatically from drivers, click on search update driver on Windows Update. If there are any updates available, then install in your PC one by one, and after installing that, now you can see that if your any further download is available, so download and install into your PC. So after downloading and installing that, restart your PC, and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. If your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type device manager and open a device manager. So open the device manager, click on display adapter and expand it. Select the Intel driver, graphic driver, right click, click on update driver, click on browse my computer from drivers, click on let me pick from a list available driver on my computers. So select a version of the drivers, click on install. After completing that, click on close button and restart your PC, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The third method is that in the search box type a device manager, open a device manager, select a display adapter, select a display driver, right click and click on uninstall device. After uninstalling that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.